Apple watches saved so many people and still saving so many people's life. If you don't know, Apple watches only supported for all the Apple devices, no Android devices. And Apple users, they call it like as Apple ecosystem. And this ecosystem is so costly for a normal people like you and me. Due to this reason, so many clone devices are available in the market of Apple phones up to Apple watches or even Apple pencils. Today in this video, I'm showing you the Apple Watch. Technically it is not an Apple Watch, but looks wise it is an Apple Watch, and there are so many things I need to tell about this. It's an Apple clone watch, and I will be showcasing so many things about this product in this video. I'll tell one by one things of this smartwatch, I mean the Apple clone watch. This video gonna be something special and very interested for you. So why late? Without making any further delay, let's jump into the video. Before we go deep into the video, guys, I need one help from you. The thing is, just like this video and share to your friends and family members if possible, and also don't forget to mention hashtag techbunny in your social media platforms while you are sharing this video. Many of you are watching my videos, but not even 1% people are subscribed to my techbunny channel. Guys, please do support me and subscribe the channel. Also, one last request is, if you are purchasing any products from Amazon or Flipkart, I leave the links in description box, which are like affiliated links. If you click the link and purchase whatever the product you like, the commission will add it to me automatically. And also thank you so much for many of the people are listening my words and start purchasing through these affiliated links. So if you are not yet done and if you want to support me, then click the link in the description box and purchase from Amazon or Flipkart during your purchase, so that it will help to me as well as the channel upgrade. And also thank you so much guys for your support, and I want this support for ever long. First is package and delivery. Many of the watches are available in online market, but I don't know, I'm not sure whether this watch is available in online stores, but I purchased this watch in offline stores. And coming to the pricing and availability, I'm not sure it would available for so many days because I purchased it in offline market. And coming to the pricing, it is like in between 1000 to 1500. It depends on area to area. I bargained to that guy and he given me like around 1150 or 1200 rupees. So the pricing is good. It's very cheap, I would say. Okay, the pricing is very cheap, but what about the things I am going to getting in the box? In the box, I'm getting only user manual guide as well as one charging cable, and finally this watch. That's all. No more stuff and no more fancy stuff is there. Coming to the branding, on the user manual they mentioned it like as it is a smartwatch. Also the user manual is very huge, and there is lot of things you need to know about this watch. I don't like to read all those things because I know about this watch. While using, I get to know what are the things are there in this watch. They given Chinese, I think so it is, and English language in this huge user manual. Also they given the QR code for to download the application for this smartwatch, and you can download through it and start testing of this one. I tried to download the application with the help of QR scanner. Well, coming to the app experience, unlike the other smartwatches, this one also connect to your mobile via Bluetooth only. So the app experience is pretty good. I have seen so many stuff is going on in the watch, I mean in the application, but nothing is real. Yes, it's true, nothing is real. The main highlighted feature I like in this application is you can customize the watch faces you like. For example, you can see here I tried to change the watch face to my profile photo. As you can see, it really did a pretty good job. It takes some like minutes of time to sync the data and to transfer, because it is a Bluetooth connected one. It will take some more time to transfer data from your mobile. Overall, the app experience is pretty good. I highly appreciate for this brand, especially not only they are giving this type of smartwatch in that price range, like cheap, very cheap price, but also they are giving like somewhat support, like producing some applications and testing and giving to the users. It's pretty good, but guys, don't rush this one. It's totally unreal. It's not a realistic one. Like I said before, this smartwatch looks exactly like the Apple Watch series. It's having a nice curved display and also pretty good rubber straps. These rubber straps are also comes like the Apple Watch one. You can easily slide and remove these straps, and even you can install it. I think for the rubber straps which is supported for Apple Watch series, also you can use for this smartwatch, because it's just slide to take out this strap, and you can even slide this and you can connect it. On the back it is having a ECG and heart rate sensor, but it won't work properly. And coming to the display, it is having LCD display and it's pretty bright for outdoor usage also. I even tried to use this watch in outdoor conditions. This watch is looking pretty good. The display, I mean the LCD panel is producing pretty good brightness in outdoor conditions. It works perfectly and functions same like the Apple Watch does. You can scroll the apps, or even you can press the crown to select any option you like. Scroll or select or screen on and off, etc. things. Overall, the design is pretty good and I really like the design of this smartwatch. If you wear this watch, the people around you would think like you are wearing an Apple Watch. And coming to the supports, this one is having pretty good supporting features, guys. And coming to the support, it's having all type of calls and message notifications, or even you can dial with this smartwatch also through connection of Bluetooth. Camera shutter button is also available. Stopwatch, calculator, music control, find your phone, contacts, etc. features are all there in this smartwatch. And apart from these features, it is having some sensors too. For the namesake, they given the sensors, but it won't work properly and perfectly. Coming to the sensors, it is having ECG support, which practically doesn't work, and it is having heart rate monitor, blood pressure reader, step counter. So coming to the sensors wise, it won't track you correctly like the remaining bands like Mi Band or How I Fit. Some bands are doing the stuff. So this one is totally unreal. Well, it's not totally fake, I would say, because it is having some features which supported, some features doesn't support. If you take the features like the call connectivity, notifications and calculator, there are some things that actually work in this smartwatch. And coming to the non-working features like the ECG, heart rate monitoring and step counter, which doesn't work, just for the namesake they randomly show some numbers. It's like 50-50 chances, guys. And finally, whether I recommend you to buy this watch or not. The one word straight answer for this question is no. Don't buy this smartwatch just for the sake of so many features in this. It is having so many features, but many features doesn't work. So don't waste your money just for like, if you purchase this watch also just only for the time and date seeing, or even you can do some stuff like calls connecting and calculator, some work you can do, stopwatch like that. But apart from this, you cannot do anything with this smartwatch. So I would say don't purchase or don't buy this smartwatch and don't waste your money. That's all about the video, guys. Thank you so much for staying up with me up to this, and also I hope this video would really interesting for you. Also don't forget to like this video and share to it to your friends and family members. If you want more upcoming videos from this channel, subscribe to techbunny and click the bell icon to the side of it to get every video notification whenever I post a new video in this channel. Also comment me below which smartwatch you are actually using, whether it is Fitbit or Mi Band or anything like fitness trackers. Also you can mention hashtag techbunny and mention the which fitness band or smartwatch you are using right now. Well, that's all about the video. Watch these videos also if you are interested in. As usual, my name is Rajshekhar and you're watching techbunny, and I will catch you in the next one. Namaste.